Hi family! Today's video is my Christmas tablescape and my color scheme is white and silver. Okay, I'm going to start off with a silver distressed charge plate. My centerpieces today, I took 4 margarita glasses, filled them with decorative stones, and placed a white poinsettia in the center. I love that. Today I'm placing my bread and butter plate on top of my plate because I want to do something special with my napkins at the end, you'll see. I love the way this table is coming together because I love this time of the year. My husband will agree that I'm usually full of myself, but this time of year I tend to take it to another level. I love getting my Christmas cards out, and they have to be out by the first week of December. My tree has to be up by the first week of December. Sometimes I put up 2 trees. It all depends on how I'm feeling it that year. And every year I tend to buy at least 1 ornament. down in the comments section, tell me your favorite thing about Christmas. My favorite time of the Christmas season is spending it with my family. Now what I'm going to do with my napkins today, I have do a light fold, real loose. You'll see why. Turn it because I'm left-handed, so it has to fit right in my left hand. And I'm just gonna fan it a little bit. Doesn't have to be perfect, and it doesn't have to be like all the settings don't have to be the same. You can fan them as full as you like. If you don't want to fan them at all, you can just fold the napkins and still use the napkin rings. I think in my last video, I showed you how to make the napkin rings, but I don't think I told you how cost effective they are compared to napkin rings in the stores. The binder rings were only $12 for $5 at Staples, and the screw nuts were $3 or $4 a box at Lowe's. And I think for just the 6 of them, it came out to be $1. No more, I know no more than $2. ready for a Christmas dinner party. I think the white and silver looks beautiful. I love how it turned out. Comment in the comment section. Let me know the colors that you're using this year for your Christmas table. Special thank you to Claudia from Special Occasions and Queen Street Linens, and also for my beautiful linens. And also a thank you to Nicole from Rental World, PA, for my gray distress charge plates. Since this will be my last video for this year, I'd like to say a special thank you. I'd like to thank God for not only giving me the gift, but also giving me the ability to use my gift on this platform. I'd also like to thank my husband, who has not only supported me throughout launching the YouTube channel, but he's my videographer. He edits, he gives me feedback, he gives me love and support. And I'd also like to thank my sons, because I can get feedback from them and bounce things off of them because they're millennials. I'd also like to thank my extended family and friends who have supported me. Whether you text, whether you called, whether you put comments in the comment section, I read them, I received them, and I appreciated it. When I started this YouTube channel, I had no knowledge of YouTube. All I knew was the gift that God had given me, and I still wanted to use that gift. It's one thing to know the business, to be an event planner and know the business. It's a whole nother thing to be videotaped and explain what you're doing while you're being videotaped. All of this has been a leap of faith for me, and it has also taken me out of my comfort zone. And as I do it and get more familiar with being videotaped and also learning more about the YouTube channel, it's becoming easier. So again, I say thank you for the love and support. And those of you who haven't subscribed yet and you would like to see more of my videos, just hit the subscribe button and the like button. And at this point in time, I'd say to all of you, have a blessed and Merry Christmas. And until next time, may God's blessings be upon you.